One thing to notice when installing pedals, there is usually a marking either on the end, on the sides, denoting right and left, so that you know that there are separate pedals and they thread in separate ways. Before putting your pedal in the crank arm, make sure you apply a thin layer of grease that threads, put it in, start cranking it on. One easy way is if you put the pedal into the arm, pedal the bike backwards, the pedals will go on. Continue on until the pedal's all the way down, and you can snug it up with a pedal wrench, getting it nice and tight. Now, putting the non-drive pedal on, again, thin layer of grease on the threads into the crank arm. To note that this pedal does go on reverse threaded, so counterclockwise we'll get it on. And then, again, if you pedal backwards, it'll help get the pedal to catch and tighten on. Finally, snugging down with the pedal wrench.